let's open up Amazon and let's start looking at some of the ways to find a great niche. So I'm here in amazon.com/gp/site directory. This is how you can go in and start browsing the niches. As you can see, there are so many niches here on Amazon, and if these niches are here on Amazon, it means that there are lots and lots of products that are very successful, that are selling. There is a lot of money to be made, and if this niche is on Amazon right now, it means it will still be here in 12 months time, 24 months time. So you can pretty much just browse around, find a great niche. This is a very nice way to research your niche. So let's choose this exercise and equipment and gym equipment, the health and fitness niche essentially. All right, so this page is loading up, and as you can see, there are lots and lots of subcategories on the left-hand side. So we're just going to look at them. This is a great exercise for you to jog your memory and come up with some ideas that possibly you didn't even have before, some of the things that you never could think of on your own. So let's just check it out on the left-hand side here. So we've got yoga, clothing, footwear, fitness technology, DVDs, exercise balls, brands, jump ropes. I mean, who would have thought about all of these on their own? And with this Amazon store directory, site directory tool, we can actually go through all of these, and all of these niches are already here for you. So all of the research is actually already done. All we need to do is just pick exactly what we're interested in and go from there. So all we're going to do is we're going to find how much competition there is in each of these niches, and we're going to use Amazon to help us find out how much competition there is. So let's get into it. With many of these products and many of these niches, there are things that you probably didn't even know existed before, and yet here they are right in front of you. Another thing that you can actually do, if you wanted to narrow this down a little bit more, and you're seeing a lot of products here, you could try to type in a cutoff in terms of the price. So for example, if you put in minimum $50 here and then you let it refresh, you will be able to see that a lot of products come up which are at least $50. And that's actually really good, because anything that's over $50 is going to be giving you a nicer commission. So it's going to take you the same amount of work to sell products which are higher price. However, you're going to be making a much higher percentage commission if someone buys one of these products. So as you can see, this is giving us some really nice product ideas. All of these things that you can see here, a lot of the people will be searching for them. I mean, look, there is 21,000 views on one of them. You know, there are thousands and thousands of reviews and ratings on each of these products. And a lot of people will actually be looking for either this particular brand or the type of the product. So Fitbit Charge wireless activity wristband. So a lot of people will actually be looking for wireless activity wristbands, and some of them will be looking for Fitbit. So you have a lot of keywords here, and this is giving us a lot of really, really nice ideas for what we can do. Now, as you can see here, we've just opened up the yoga niche, and yoga niche is something that we can also take a look at and check it out and see how many different products there are. So yoga niche is one niche down from exercise and fitness. Okay, so we are one niche down, one level down here. And as you can see there is a sub niche called mats. Okay, and mats has a nice product number. So there are over 5,000 products when we clicked on that. And you know, imagine if you could write a review or make a page about each of these mats. That's a huge amount of keywords and a huge amount of traffic that you could possibly drive to your blog, because you know, people will be looking for all of these products and all of these mats, professional yoga mats, as well as the exact name, for example, Jade Harmony Professional 16-inch yoga mat, and so forth. So in general, you probably don't want to go and create a huge site about a huge niche, for example, all of exercise and fitness niche, but something like yoga mats is actually a good niche because there are several thousand or more products, and it's specific enough for you to create a website that will become the authority website in your sub niche. All right, so now let's get back to some of the other things that you can look at. So this is something that you can use to jog your memory a little bit and your imagination. We've gone ahead and we've checked Amazon full store. So now let's go and look at Amazon bestseller. All right, so here we are in the Amazon bestseller website. Let's just do this search. And this is a great tool as well, because once you start working with this, you can research everything with just a couple of mouse clicks, and then you can find so much great information here. So if you look in the bestseller, you'll see there are many categories on the left-hand side, and Amazon is actually showing you what you need to do to pick a great niche, because they're going to show you the very best products which people are buying already. So it's really a no-brainer. Like, these products are already popular, people are already looking for them. So let's check it out here in grocery category. Okay, so let's see what we can find here. There are some other categories here on the left-hand side. Okay, there are breakfast foods. They are subcategories of the grocery categories. Okay, so let's see what else is around. There are jams, there are candy, and so forth. And the prices on this product are a little bit low. We want something with at least $50. So, let's just take a look at some other departments and try to find something with higher prices. Okay, so we're now inside beauty category. So let's check it out here and see what the prices are. Hair care. Okay. There are hair loss products, there are hair accessories, and so forth. So we need to keep digging. Let's just keep digging and let's see what else we might be able to find here. So we want to find something where there are a lot of products which are $50 or more, so that we can make nice commissions here. Okay, let's just come back out and let's take a look at... Alright, so we're now here inside this beauty niche, and I've just clicked on hair care. Let's just see what's available here and what kind of prices we have. This is looking a little bit better, and I can see that there is this product, for example, here, this hair dryer. It's still a bit less than $50, but let's just see what we can do, and maybe we can create this cutoff or filter or $50 price. So let's search for hair dryer and let's see what comes up. There are actually a lot of results, and what we can do is we can go down to the price filter and we can see that there are 1,794 products in the 50 to 100 category. So let's filter it by $50, and then we will see how many products actually come up. Okay, so we can see we've got all our matches, and these could very easily be a great niche, the hairdryer niche, all the hairdryer reviews. This is very popular. This is something that a lot of people are searching for, and you can create a great site around it. So this is how you can look for niche ideas using the bestseller category, because bestsellers mean that there is a ton of demand for these products already. They're going to be popular, and you're going to get a lot of traffic to your site if you create a site around this. So anywhere from etc. So there are large websites that are already getting a lot of traffic, and you can kind of just reverse engineer what they're doing. Okay, so let's just take a look here at thewirecutter.com. So this is a website that specializes in various tech gadgets, and the reason why they create a site like that, basically we're going to be doing the same thing that they're doing, maybe just on a smaller scale to start with, but the idea is to grow large sites that are similar to the Wirecutter and so forth, that will rank for thousands and thousands of keywords and make us a lot of money. So let's look at the categories that they have here. Okay, so you can scroll down the categories here, and the top of the browser you can see all of those all of those categories, and you will be able to see here I've clicked the headphones category. So let's check what they have, because I mean, headphones is a really nice niche. It's high price, it's something that you can make a lot of commissions on per sale, and it can, there is a good variety of them. You can actually create a large website around headphones. So let's just check out some of their articles and see exactly how they're monetizing those. I bet they are using Amazon, because it just makes sense to use Amazon with this kind of monetization. And as you can see, as the article loads, you will be able to see lots and lots of affiliate links linking out to Amazon via their affiliate link. And anyone who makes a purchase through Amazon store will, every purchase will result in commissions for the Wirecutter website. So what you can do is you can kind of just reverse engineer what they're writing about. They have a whole website dedicated, or part of the website dedicated to headphones, and you can tweak their titles a little bit and then just create your own versions of this. So as you can see, this is a great way to come up with some niche ideas, and you can just reverse engineer what other people are doing, what other successful websites are already doing. And if you type in that title into Google, you'll see that there are lots of sites that are already ranking for this, and this is exactly where we want to get with our own website. We want to be ranking on that first page of Google so that we can start getting some free traffic and we can start making affiliate commissions when someone comes to our website and clicks onto